Hello, my name is Christine and welcome to the video. Enjoy! So, hi! Bale, ito lang yung magiging small update ko about the content that I will be posting on YouTube from now on. So, ang balak ko talaga na parang current na video or content ko is solely focusing on storytelling and just pagkukwento, ganun. Pero kasi, napapaisip rin ako na gusto kong bumalik sa vlogging dahil I kinda miss it, you know? Dahil dun nagsimula talaga yung channel ko, yung pagbablog. Dun nagsimula lahat. Kaso nga lang kasi ang naging problema ko during those times is that matagal yung haba nung parang clip na let's say may film akong scenery. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal or parang supposed to be ang mga vlogs is that you show a scenery and then click into another one na parang saglit lang, seconds lang, and then another scenery and then repeat. Pero in my case kasi sobrang tagal nung akin na parang 10 seconds or like 6 seconds is nandun pa rin sa scene na yun imbes na dapat nag-click na dun sa iba. So parang ang naging first thought ko in terms of the storytelling and vlogging type stuff is that I would take clips and pictures from the place I've been habang yung mismong main video is me talking about my experiences on that place at yung mga tourist attraction or yung mga lugar na pinuntahan namin while I'm explaining it or while I'm telling you the stories of the experiences I have. May mga clips from that place na naka-overlay or nakalagay dun sa video mismo para makita nyo sa kung ano ba yung ginawa namin dun, kung ano ba yung mga nakita. Yun yung initial thought ko about sa pagbablog tsaka sa story time or story time with clips from it. So now, I've already decided na talagang i-combine ko na yung vlogging and yung, or hindi naman combine, halos parang dalawang video na yung gagawin ko, isang vlogging, isang story time. So parang yung story time kasi, I thought of it as a alternative to vlogging, na parang kapag wala naman kaming pinuntahan or walang interesting akong na-film, di story time na lang kung ano yung ganap sa buhay ko na gusto kong ikwento sa inyo. Yun na lang yung i-upload ko or parang yun na lang yung gagawin kong content para lang may ma-upload or dahil nga nai-enjoy ko talaga ang YouTube. So, I'm trying my best to have or like I'm trying my best to upload content while also having fun and not really like stressed out na may ma-upload lang, ganun. So, ganun na yung strategy ko. It's not every day. I will not be uploading 2 videos a day kasi masyadong, you know, masyado may stress sa pag-edit. So, 1 video at a time, okay? Kasi editing 1 video alone is already stressful for me dahil nga depende lang din talaga sa haba. So yeah, that is all. I'm gonna be doing vlogging and story time. Yay! Productivity! So yeah, like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!